Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bling out these super cute already Mickey ears. I have bedazzled quite a few Mickey ears before, but these are more newer. And as soon as I saw them, I knew I wanted to use the chunky bling on them. So to begin, I am removing the tags just to make sure they're not in my way while I'm bedazzling. It just makes it much easier, you know? I did also remove the tags on the side, just leaving that Disney tag on them. So just a little behind the scenes, my plan was to bedazzle the whole entire ears, including the headband. That's why I did this step, which was to paint over where it says Mickey Mouse. I did use white Angelus paint and their brushes to paint over this. I wanted it to be a white background. I did do quite a few coats of this, letting them dry in between coats obviously, and then I painted over all of it. So that did take quite a bit of time, but like I said, this was because I was thinking about blinging over it, and which I didn't, and I'll tell you guys why later on. But yeah, so if you want to go ahead and do this, you can do it, and if you don't want to, go ahead and skip this. So this is how they looked after I painted over them. So moving on now, I am using 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 as my adhesive, transparent 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 to bling on the rhinestones, and I have a bunch of different chunky rhinestones. I mean, these are so gorgeous. It is up to you what kind of rhinestones you want, and I also have my pickup tool. So this is a pickup tool I actually got from Hobby Lobby. If I find the link on Amazon, I'll link it on the description. But I love this pickup tool to pick up these rhinestones because it is very tacky. And I also have smaller rhinestones to fill in any gaps I might come across. So now to start bedazzling, I'm going to start doing the outer edges of the ear first, just to have them working as a guide, and then I'm going to go in and fill in the middle areas of the ear. And I did use a toothpick just to help spread the glue. I do want this glue a bit thick because these are chunky rhinestones, so it does need a lot of glue to hold on to that rhinestone. So just make sure it is a bit thick, and then I went in randomly applying the rhinestone of my choice. I am also working by sections just to make sure my glue does not dry out on me, and as I moved on, I applied more glue, spreading it with my toothpick. Right here, I did go a little bit back in on this edge because I did have some glue still there. So I wanted to use up all that glue. I didn't want it to dry out on me. So that's why you guys see me working a little bit here towards the middle. But then I went on ahead and did the rest of the edge all the way around. And I did want the scattered method on this project. I just love the look that it gives out with all those chunky rhinestones scattered all around the ears. And then once I finished the edge around the ear, I went on ahead and did the edge right next to the headband, closing it up so I can work on the middle areas. I did try to work with the rhinestones as well, since it is a scattered method and they're all different sizes. I try to fit whatever rhinestone I could according to the space, just to make sure I could minimize the use of fill-in size rhinestones. Now moving on to the middle area of the ear, I did go ahead once again and apply the liquid fusion by sections, spreading it with my toothpick, and then applying the rhinestones in a scattered method once again. So how you apply your rhinestones is going to be completely up to you. Obviously, here I'm just showing you guys what materials to use and how to do it. So yeah, very simple, very quick and easy. I did the same exact thing to the other ear, and I did the back as well. So these ears were super heavy. This is why I did not end up blinging the headband area, because guys, when I tell you these ears are heavy, they are heavy, okay? I don't know how much these weigh, but oh my god. I actually took them to the park already, and every time I would lean over to look at something, like when I was shopping, they would fall. I mean, these are so heavy, oh my gosh. So yeah, that's why I didn't do the headband part. And for you, I would recommend for you maybe just to bling the front side of them, because guys, they are just so heavy. They are so gorgeous and I love them and I will keep using them. But just a little heads up, just to tell you, just to warn you, these are super heavy, so maybe just do one side. So this is how it looked once I finished one ear. Again, I did the same thing to the other one. Guys, aren't they so gorgeous? I just love how they came out. Super cute. So I did also let them completely dry for around 48 hours. Again, I did do the back side. It is completely up to you. I would just leave them like this just so they're not super heavy. I might do these again and just do the front side because I do love them. I just feel like they're too heavy. So yeah, let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you did learn a little something. Now you know how to bling your own Mickey chunky bling ears. These are gorgeous, guys, and you are sure to be sending out at the parks. So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. And if you are new to the channel, welcome in. Make sure you stick around for many more DIYs to come. And go ahead and share this video to any Disney lovers out there that you may know that might be interested in this. So yeah, guys, my channel is new and I'm trying to grow it, so please go ahead and support. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.